This right here is the most compact professional setup you can get with the iPhone 16 Pro Max. It's the co-design edition of the mobile lightweight video kit by SmallRig and Brandon Lee. It's available for the iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max models. The new cage version offers exciting features and improvements compared to last year's iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max cage. In this video, I'll highlight these improvements and show you how you can use this mobile video cage to elevate your mobile video production. Now, I want to be clear, this video is sponsored by SmallRig. Now, they've done a fantastic job over the years creating mobile gear, and I'm proud to be part of it. I've been using their products for years and truly believe in their mission to transform mobile filmmaking and making it accessible to everyone. Before we talk about the new features of this cage, let me clarify the main difference between a universal cage and a dedicated cage. I recently created a video about SmallRig's all-in-one kit, a universal cage that fits any phone and offers extra functionality with multiple mounting points for accessories. However, some of you asked for a more compact setup, and that's where this dedicated cage comes in. It wraps around your phone, making it easy to carry while offering plenty of mounting options. The downside is that you'll need a new cage if you upgrade your phone. So it's a trade-off between versatility and portability. So here's a quick overview of what you'll get with the SmallRig and Brandon Lee's new mobile video kit. You get a Filmove phone case with a lens trim ring, a Filmove T-mount lens backplate, a Filmove capture grip, a dedicated cage, two rotatable side handles with one having a wireless control, a TPU soft frame, a Filmove 67mm magnetic filter adapter, a 67mm magnetic 1:9 stop VND filter, and a storage bag. You can also get additional accessories to customize it to your needs, but we'll cover that later. So let's see what improvements have been made to this new version. Now, as with the previous version, we get this nice, beautiful green Oasis color. There's also a standard version in black if you prefer a more low-key look. It has a lightweight aluminum alloy body that is strong and durable, weighing just 108 grams. The cage features 4 quick-release mounts for attaching handles, 10 1/4 20 threaded holes, and 3 cold shoe mounts, providing multiple options for adding accessories. I also appreciate that it has 2 strap holes for a neck strap, making it easy to carry and capture shots while on the move. Now, the handles have been upgraded. They now include a rotatable design for easy shooting. Unlike with the previous cage, switching to the top handle is now way easier, no need to unscrew anything. I love how SmallRig has maintained the quick release system, which allows you to attach the handles to the cage in seconds. This allows for fast switching between horizontal and vertical filming. It also makes it easy to take everything apart to fit in your bag. Like the previous version, this one features a Bluetooth remote control on the handle, allowing you to trigger recordings up to 10 meters away. I prefer using the Bluetooth shutter button because it makes the iPhone feel like a real camera, allowing me to capture shots much faster. I can detach the remote control for self-filming, so I don't have to keep running back and forth to start and stop recording. Also, if you're filming in cold weather conditions like right now, I usually use gloves, and having this shutter can be very helpful. I've tested the remote control with both the default camera app and the Blackmagic camera app, and it worked really well. Once you pair it with your iPhone, it remembers the connection, so the next time you want to pair it, just long press on the Bluetooth shutter button and it will connect automatically. Plus, when you remove the remote control like this, you get a hidden cold shoe mount for more customization options. Now, one of the most significant improvements is the case, which can be used with the cage or on its own. And this enhances the versatility for casual shooting or more professional use. The buttons, including the camera control button, are easily accessible. It also features a convenient grip that can quickly attach and secure to the case. This way you have a better grip and can film more steadily. The grip also has a 1/4 20 threaded hole for mounting on a tripod. I love that this case also features a detachable lens back plate. By removing the trim ring, I can easily slide in a different plate, making switching and attaching filters or lenses simple. The included standard T-mount lens backplate is compatible with their new 1.33 times and 1.55 times anamorphic lenses, giving your footage a cinematic look. They feature a magnetic design for easy adjustments and secure attachments using the knob. For close-up detail shots, you might want to check out their new 75mm macro lens, which also produces great results. All these lenses are compatible with SmallRig's magnetic VND filter using the threaded adapter ring. If you use a 17mm lens like I do, you can find the compatible backplates sold separately. Also included is a 67mm magnetic filter adapter, which can be used with the included magnetic 1:9 stop VND filter. Now keep in mind that the filter adapter is magnetic, which means you can't use it with filters from other brands since they can't be screwed on. The magnets hold the filter securely in place, so you won't have to worry about it falling off. While testing the 1:9 stop, I noticed no cross patterns. It provides a warmer tone, however, the image quality remains sharp and clear. The 1:9 stop is especially useful for filming on sunny days, giving you full control over your exposure. SmallRig also offers a 5-in-1 filter kit, which is stackable and includes a VND filter, 1:5 stop, a CPL filter, and a quarter effect black mist filter. Now, the MagSafe compatible case also allows for easy wireless charging with a MagSafe power bank, or you can also attach MagSafe accessories. Now, unfortunately, using a filter prevents a power bank from fitting since the filter adapter is too large. However, it works well with lenses. I can also use the case with the grip on a gimbal, such as the DJI Osmo Mobile 6, to capture smooth shots. Now, the best part is that I can now easily place the case inside the cage to expand its functionality. The setup process is simple. First, slide the button to where the arrow points to unlock it. Then start from the top and insert your phone. Finally, press the press button and it will lock into place. It fits the phone perfectly without wiggle room, and the buttons and ports except the camera control button are still easy accessible. Unlike the previous iPhone 15 Pro Max case where you had to slide in a naked iPhone, the new design allows you to use the case with the cage, protecting the back of your phone. I can even use it with my Apple case. Now, not all cases will fit, so ensure the measurements for compatibility are precise. If I want to use a lens or filter with a different case, like a TPU soft frame, I can use their slide-in backplates, which are sold separately. When using the Filmove phone case with the cage, again, I can slide in the included adapter plate to then attach a filter or lens. To take it out, I can remove the adapter plate, press the button, and pull it out. Unfortunately, this cage isn't compatible with the iPhone 15 Pro or Pro Max models. If SmallRig could design a case or a TPU soft frame with the correct measurements, it could fit the cage and become more versatile. Now, there are several ways to use the cage and various rigging options to suit your shooting needs. I'll share some helpful rig example with you so that you can customize your setup. Now, the first is casual mode, where you can use the Filmo phone case with the grip and VND filter for on-the-go shooting. This is great for quickly capturing moments while still fitting in your pocket. Then there is vlog mode, where I use the cage with one handle to film myself. It is still lightweight and the grip provides a stable hold for vlogging. Plus, with the Bluetooth shutter button, I can start recording without touching the screen. I can connect the S60 wireless microphone from SmallRig to the iPhone for audio capture. Next is the horizontal mode. For more cinematic video recordings, I can set it to shooting horizontally. With both handles attached to the side, I can capture smoother footage while moving the camera. Next is vertical mode. With the quick release system, I can easily switch the handles from horizontal to vertical, and this is really ideal for recording shorts for Instagram or TikTok. Next is the top handle mode, which lets you attach the grip on top of the cage to create lower shots more easily. Now I have two custom modes. The first one is the most compact setup for shooting professional content. It includes a variable ND filter to keep my shutter speed at double the frame rate for a cinematic motion blur. I also use a Lexar Professional Go 2TB portable SSD with hub for external recording. The hub has 4 USB-C ports, allowing me to connect a professional wireless mic like the DJI Mic 2. Now, the second custom mode is different because I can now record externally with a built-in 1TB M2 SSD enclosure in the handle, which is pretty cool. The handles are larger too for a better grip. I've also added a power bank holder, and I'm using the DJI Mic 2, which all is connected to the 4-in-1 USB-C hub. You can buy the M2 enclosure, the power bank holder, and the hub separately, on SmallRig's website. So these are some of the options out there. There are many possibilities when it comes to accessorizing your camera cage, so I highly suggest experimenting and finding what works best for you. For $180, this is an excellent investment for anyone wanting to shoot professional videos with their iPhone 16 Pro or Pro Max. This is definitely one of the more affordable options out there compared to other brands, and it doesn't compromise on quality. Now, I'm really happy with the improvements made to the design. It has fewer flaws than the previous version. I prefer actually this cage over the universal cage because of its compact size and versatility. The ability to switch from casual shooting to more professional setup makes this cage a fantastic choice. Now, I'd love to hear your thoughts on this new cage and any questions or suggestions for improvements. If you want to learn more about the universal cage from SmallRig, be sure to check out this video right here. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one.